So most resellers will share and they'll send offers, but they're missing one part of a great strategy, the secret sauce, I call it, that will actually turbocharge everything that they're doing. This is called price dropping, and you might be doing it, but you might not be doing it in this way. And today I'm going to share with you exactly how price dropping along with your offers can turbocharge your sales and help you sell more on Poshmark. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So you guys know that I love my sales generating activities. So these are things like sharing and sending offer to likers, having an automatic offer, using my shoppers, so many different tips and tricks and strategies and tactics, if you will. I use all of these on Poshmark and I layer them one on top of another so that they all work together to create basically my sales machine. And this is how I'm able to be a six-figure reseller on Poshmark. So today I'm talking about the price dropping strategy because I realized that I hadn't yet made a video about this particular strategy. So I've talked about all of these other things and I use them all together. So it's not one or the other, it's all together. So the price dropping strategy works, and I'm going to give you a specific example from one of my closets because I have two. And this is really how it makes the offers more powerful. So if you just do offers alone, that's great. If you do the offers according to my offer to liker strategy that I go over on this channel, even better because that's the most powerful. But now I take it up even more and I use price dropping to make the offers more powerful that unleash like a new level of sales. So follow along with me. So I'm going to focus on my 2 for $30 closet. So this is the closet that is on my rack and the number 2 in case you want to follow along or check out what I'm doing. So that closet is usually just like mall brands, lower end stuff. And so I get it very inexpensive and I list everything basically for $35. So I list it for $35. I have all of the items on my 2 for $30 sale. And if you want to know more about that, I have a video about that. Then what I do is every week, right now it's on Thursdays, it could be any day of the week, but for me, with all of the other things I have going on and my offer to liker strategy, I like Thursdays for price dropping. And so every Thursday in the morning, I will go ahead and drop all of my prices by 10%. And this is something I use Posher VA to do. I don't physically do it. I just set it up. I walk away. I take my son to school. I come back and it's all done for me. So the price dropping by 10% is what I do. And that in and of itself, you're like, great, big deal, Rebecca, you dropped prices. Woohoo, good for you. Here's where the magic happens. So I drop the prices every single week until an item goes from $35 to $24. So like the first week when it drops 10%, it's going to drop to 31. Then it's going to drop and then it's going to drop. So I think it's 3 or 4 weeks of price dropping. I can't remember. But so it's a few weeks that an item will get dropped in price until it gets to $24. That's my lowest price. I don't want it to go below that. So when it gets to $24, then I will go in and raise that item's price back up to $35. I'll talk about that in a sec. So that's kind of what happens is it goes from 35 to 31, all the way down to 24. Now, while that's happening, that's just happening once a week. In the meantime, on the rest of the days of the week, I'm sending out my offer to liker strategy, which as you know is 20%, then 30%, then 40%, then 50% in the waterfall strategy. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, please search Rebecca the Reseller waterfall strategy offer to likers, and that video will come up and it will explain everything. So when you do the price drop and then you send out another round of offers, usually, well, not usually, definitely, I don't know when it happens, but definitely at least the 50% will trigger a new low. So Poshmark only lets you send offer to likers to people so many times and within a certain amount of time. So I think it's like within 90 days, you can't send the same offer to them. But after 90 days, you could send the same offer again. Then within 90 days, you can send offers as long as they're 10% lower. So I send the 20% offer, then I send the 30%, they'll get that because it's 10% lower. They'll get the 40%, they'll get the 50%. At 50% at a certain price, they won't get any more offers for me for 90 days. But when I drop the price of the item and then send out those offers again, when it gets to that 50%, now we're at a new low, because if it was at 35 and it sent an offer for 50%, that would be like $17.50, whatever. But if you're at 31 and you send out a 50% offer, now that is a new low price. And so Poshmark will push that offer out to all of those people that have liked the item. So you've basically, like in a video game, you've unlocked a new level. And so you were sending out offers, but now you've come over here and dropped the price. So now you can send out a new set of offers. And that last offer, that's the highest offer triggered with the lower price, will send out a new round of offers. Great, I make a bunch of sales that way. Then the next week, if certain items didn't sell, it's gonna get lowered again, and it's going to get the same offers going out because I do the same offer to liker strategy every week. Now that's going to trigger another new low, and it's gonna push out another set of offers. So it's kind of like just when you thought you were done and the offers weren't being effective anymore, when you add the price dropping strategy on top of it, it's now layered in, and every week that it drops, it will unlock a new low. Now again, you have to look at all of your items, and you have to make sure that your offer to liker strategy and your price dropping strategy, including that price floor, so mine is 24, doesn't go lower than that they all work together, because you don't want to lose money on an item. So you have to go through your items and make sure that this will work for everything. Now, I've talked in the past, and you can search Rebecca the Reseller pricing formula, and that video will go over how I structure all of my prices, from the buy cost that I have for items to the list price that I have for items, and how that works with all of my sales generating activities. So you definitely don't want to mess yourself up and lose money on an item. I don't want that for you. And I don't lose money on an item because I know what my buy cost is. I know what my list price is. I know what my smart floor is. I call it smart floor because that's what they call it on Mercari. So it's like your lowest price that you'll let it drop to. And then I know what my offer strategy is. And so when all of that works out, I know I'm not losing money on an item. I know what my absolute lowest is, and it all works. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses, for just $20. The best part is, if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. Now, what happens when you get to your smart floor, you might be asking? Well, I will tell you. So this is why it's all a system. I have an answer for everything. So when you get an item from 35 and it goes down, it goes down, it goes down, and it gets to 24, what I usually do with Posher VA before I drop prices every Thursday is I go in and I look for the items basically with a filter on Poshmark for all the items that have hit their smart floor. So I'll go in and search for 0 to 25 price apply filter, and that will pull up all of the items that are at $24. I will go in and raise those items back up to $35. And if you're not sure how to do that, because it's percentages and sometimes it gets a little sticky, is I go into ChatGPT and I say, I have an item at this price, I want to raise it to this price. What percent increase is that? And then it will tell me, and that's how I know. Now, because mine is standard, I'm pretty sure, actually, I don't remember, but I have it somewhere in my notes. And so on Thursdays, everywhere, like on my Thursday list of things to do, it tells me what it is. I don't remember what it is off the top of my head, but I know what the price increase is now because it's always going to go from 24 to 35. Is it 62? I don't remember, but you just need to make sure that you know exactly what the price floor is and what the list price is so you can find out that percent increase. Because just like Posher VA can drop prices by 10% for you, or 20% or whatever price drop percent you want to, it can also raise those prices for you. So my first step every Thursday is actually to raise all the lowest prices back up to 35. That's step one. And then step two is to take all the $35 or all the items that are at their price, that's not the smart floor, and I drop them all 10%. So the 24s will go back up to 35. They will get dropped to 31. The $31 will get dropped to the next lowest, and whatever that one is will get dropped to the next lowest. So it's constantly like, like steps going down. So it starts at 35, it goes to 31, then whatever, till it gets to the smart floor, it goes back up to the top of the stairs, and each week it goes down the stairs again. And while it's doing that, it is unlocking a new level of low price for those offers to kick out to the people. And that will generate additional extra sales on top of the sales that your offer to liker strategy will already be generating for you. So it sounds more complicated than it actually is. Really, it's just dropping prices by 10% once a week, but you do have to have an idea of your smart floor or whatever your floor price is going to be so that you can make sure you raise those back up before you drop again, because otherwise then you'll drop too far down. So just make sure, number one, that your items have some kind of pricing formula that goes with everything. So you have a buy cost, you have a list price, and you have your wiggle room in between, and you know what your offer to likers strategy is, and they all work together. Now, it doesn't mean that every item has to have the same buy cost and that every item has to have the same list price. They just have to have like the same amount of wiggle room. So if you bought it for 5 and you list it for 35, great. If you bought it for 10, you should be listing it for 70. You have the same wiggle room. So you just want to have some sort of uniformity. Now, if you don't, the great thing about Posher VA is that you can do a lot of these subsets. You can pull up a certain subset of items in your Poshmark by filters and then have Posher VA run on that subset. So if you, let's say, had 2 or 3 different subsets where you were running different things on it, you could do that. It would just be a little bit more involved. I don't like to do all of that detail, so I just have everything kind of going along the same path. And so all I have to do is raise prices once on Thursday, drop prices once on Thursday. That takes care of my price dropping strategy. And then again, I do my offer to likers 3 times a week, following a consistent, progressive, and aggressive strategy. If you want to know more about that, just search offer to likers and you'll get my video on that. So that's the magic and secret sauce of how to turbocharge your Poshmark sales when you combine and layer all of these sales generating activities together. Let me know what questions you have. I wish you all the best. I hope you make lots of sales this week, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Posher VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Posher VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.